Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. This week we're looking at how to decorate in the Hampton style. This style is the ultimate in combining casual coastal living with laid-back luxury. Natural, elegant, timeless and inviting, Hampton-style interiors are inspired by the beautiful beach houses in the region of Long Island in the US, known as the Hamptons. The Hampton-style colour palette is a play of whites, creams, neutrals, shades of blues, sea and celadon greens with dark painted timber and silver nickel accents. Architectural features include generously sized bay windows, wainscoting, coastal-style weatherboards, tongue and groove panelling, wide cornices and architectural mouldings. When it comes to flooring, you'll find wall-to-wall carpet in bedroom spaces and natural or dark stained timber floorboards in hallways, living spaces, kitchen and dining areas. These are often adorned with lightweight cotton striped durries and textural jute and sisal rugs for warmth and visual interest. To anchor the space, furniture choices are often painted in cool whites, navy, black, natural timbers, and often with natural patina showing signs of age and wear and tear. This adds soul to the space. Cane and woven rattan chairs sit alongside oversized cotton and linen slip-covered sofas and armchairs, contrasting with natural, white or dark painted timber frames. The open-plan living spaces favour a generous selection of seating options and conversational areas, so consider additional ottomans and single-seat armchairs. Open cabinetry acts as the perfect surface to display your decorative objects of photo frames, shells and coral, books and sentimental objects. Add personality through the layering of different textures, materials, colours and quality fabrics. Fabric choices primarily favour natural linens, soft cottons, jute, sisal and calico. Select bedding, decorative cushions, throws and tableware in a variety of whites, blues, greens and florals, stripes and graphic prints for depth, dimension and visual richness. These are softened by natural materials of rattan and driftwood. Wall sconces and pendant lighting with bronze, nickel, brass and glass are a classic component of this style. Use these to frame entryways, kitchen islands and dining areas. Table lamps are crafted from nickel, mouth-blown glass or glossy ceramics with tapered or drum shades, and these are positioned on bedsides, sideboard buffets, side tables, all for symmetry and interest. Add visual intrigue by selecting lamp bases that draw inspiration from the natural environment, such as soft curvature, pineapples, or etched and hammered designs. Window treatments are selected to maximise the available natural light, enhancing the whitewashed walls and reflective surfaces. Popular choices include natural or white painted timber shutters, sheer cotton or linen curtains, and Roman blinds, in neutrals or muted blue and white hand-block prints and patterns. When it comes to artwork, you'll find collections of botanical, natural history and tropical framed prints and photographs in slender frames. As always, mirrors are the perfect way to reflect light throughout the home and give the illusion of larger space. Accessories for your Hamptons home include glossy ceramics, glass vases, nickel picture frames and elegant rattan or pewter trays. Bring the outside in with natural collected elements of coral, shells and driftwood. However, no item is more representative of Hamptons decor than the classic blue and white ginger jars and vases in floral or chinoiserie patterns. Other items for styling include stacked coffee table books, quality board games such as chess and backgammon, diffusers and candles, and decorative boxes. Blending of an indoor-outdoor lifestyle is a key characteristic of Hampton style. You'll find an assortment of large and small plants, including potted fiddle-leaf figs, palm leaves and fresh, unstructured flower arrangements of hydrangeas and orchids, housed in glass or ceramic vases. Exterior boxed hedging of buxus, hydrangea and gardenia line the front and back porches and alfresco areas. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you feel inspired to incorporate some of these Hampton-style decorative ideas in your own home. Remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.